Let's be honest. Designing a complex bar on implants used to be a nightmare. You know the drill. Design the bar, save, mill or print, scan it again, then design the superstructure. It's the double scan trap. It takes hours, and if the fit is wrong, you start over. Are you still working like this in 2025? You are losing money on every case. There is a smarter way. Meet Exocad 3.3 Chemnitz, the only version with the true IBAR, split denture workflow. Here is the magic. You design the primary bar and the secondary structure in one single project. Simultaneously. No double scanning, no thimble workarounds. Look at this. You place the teeth, click one button, and the software automatically generates the inner bar under your anatomy. It calculates the perfect cement gap and screw channels instantly. Result? You get 2 files ready for milling. What used to take 2 hours now takes 40 minutes. Think about your hourly rate. This software pays for itself in just 2 jobs. To use this feature correctly, you need a clean, stable installation of Exocad 3.3 Chemnitz with the right implant libraries. Don't waste time with buggy versions. I can help you install and configure the perfect setup for IBAR workflow today.